Okay. So what do you understand? I think we have already discussed a lot of time what is stereotypes and prejudice. So what do you understand by stereotypes? क्यों करते हैं? What is the purpose behind it? All of us does it, or is there any particular kind of people who does not? 11-11 पे करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा. But that's a good thing. और कुछ examples हैं stereotype के, then I'll tell you more examples. Okay. All right. So it is, if we talk about stereotypes, stereotypes is all Gujaratis like sweet. Okay. So it's like that we have created a notion. Now it can be true or yes, Sharma ji ka ladka is always intelligent. Very good. So, it is like a generalization that we have created. I hope you remember what is generalization. So हम क्या करते हैं, एक हमने स्कीमा सोचा हुआ है या एक हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस है. Now we are applying it anywhere and everywhere without any, you could say, assessment, without any research or evidence and so on and so forth. ठीक है. So it is just like a heuristic that we are using. दो हम इसको heuristic नहीं बोलते हैं, but what I'm trying to say is it is just like a heuristic that we are basically using. ठीक है. Now if we talk about the definition itself, ठीक है, इसी मतलब it's not a very you could say, बहुत इसमें कोई ऐसी theories नहीं है, just a concept that we need to understand, and then you can give your own examples, so on and so forth, right? So if we talk about stereotype, it is a belief about somebody's personal attributes. Now of course these are over generalized, and it can be inaccurate, and it can resist new kind of information. ये एक कुछ basic feature है. But अगर हम तीनों का categorization करें, तो this is the cognitive part. This is also cognition plus, you could say, it has affective component. And discrimination is purely behavioral. So all of these are obviously functioning together. ठीक है. But the point is कि ये कैसे एक तीस मतलब तीनों एक साथ कैसे like they come together and they make an impact. That is what we are trying to say. So again इसमें भी एक don't write the ABC model, but what I'm trying to tell you is इसमें भी एक ABC वाला component ही है. ठीक है. कि ये आपका cognitive part हो गया, ये आपका cognitive plus affective part हो गया, and जो discrimination, it's a behavioral component, right? So if we talk about stereotype first, as you can see, it is some kind of sweeping statements or some kind of views that we make about a group or an individual, कि वो कैसे लगते होंगे या वो कैसे act करते होंगे. The problem is over here we ignore or we do not see the distinctiveness in the person. ठीक है. या फिर हम उनका सिर्फ एक एंड पॉइंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कर रहे हैं कि जो हमने देखा उसका एक हमने एनालिसिस कर लिया कि यही होता होगा. ठीक है. And another problem is we you could say discourage any kind of halo effect can be one of the examples, and we discourage any kind of further investigation. तो मे बी अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इफ अ पर्सन इज वेयरिंग स्पेक्स एंड वेयरिंग अ साड़ी तो वो टीचर ही होगी, तो वो हम आगे इन्वेस्टिगेट भी नहीं करते हैं कि वेदर एक्चुअली में वो टीचर है भी कि नहीं है. you know so this is what is, you could say, stereotype. But again, this is all in your head. This is your cognitive understanding, so your perception about the person. Like I'm saying, it can be accurate also, but मोस्टली स्टीरियोटाइप इस तरीके से हो गया कि हम उसको क्योंकि जनरलाइज कर देते हैं, तो हम जो एक इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंस वाला जो एक फैक्टर है वो जो है वो लिमिटेड हो जाता है. दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. Because if in one hand we are saying कि every individual is different, there are individual differences, so and so forth in terms of personality and in terms of their likes and dislikes. स्टीरियोटाइप में क्या है, कुछ हम ऐसी स्टेटमेंट्स बनाते हैं अपने मन में, या कुछ इस तरीके की हमने heuristic क्रिएट कर रखी है that see why actually we are using heuristic. There is a purpose why these all these things are existing. Even though we are saying it's you could say inaccurate, or kabhi kabhi it resists any kind of investigation, so and so forth. Why is it still there? Because ultimately, yes, it helps you understand, to survive, to make sense of the world. Ultimately हमारा क्या purpose है कि जो भी हमारे पास stimulus आ रहा है, we are able to make sense of it, right? To make the work easier, to be able to you could say understand what is happening. तो जो आपका cognitive overload हो सकता है, see every time you see, yes, every time you see a stimulus, तो ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम बार बार same चीज process करेंगे. You can really understand कि brain के पास और भी बहुत काम होते हैं, rather than same चीजें बार बार process करना. If we put, you could say, perception also in place. If you remember that closeness, sorry, this incomplete figure जो हम उसको बंद करते हैं, ठीक है? So if the figure is something like this, so we know it's a circle, ठीक है? कहीं ना कहीं we try to connect the dot. So in the same manner, whenever there is some kind of, you could say, incomplete information, or you're not trying to make sense, so like yesterday she was saying folk psychology. Yeah, we are like you could say naive psychologist, yeah, amateur psychologist, जो हम हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सेंस बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं to whatever stimulus is coming to our mind. ठीक है? So in that case, we are using it to, yes, you could say, ease our brains or ease our cognition, कि हमारा काम भी फटाफट आसान हो जाए, और एक जो एक साइकोलॉजिकल टेंशन रहती है, एक जो क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है, इट इज टू फुलफिल दैट. ठीक है? सो इट इज, even though you might feel that this is a useless thing, but nonetheless it's important. ठीक है? Now as you can see, it's certain kind of generalized statements which are there. So a statement which can be a finite number of observation, first of all, कि कुछ बहुत limited observations होती हैं, there is not lot many observations which are there. ठीक है? Then experience, whatever that you're saying, now it claims to hold true for the larger set, but जरूरी नहीं है कि ऐसा हुआ है. That's the whole scenario. ठीक है? It can be based on facts, it can be fictions also. But basically हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको generalize कर रहे हैं. So for example, शर्मा जी का बेटा is going to be intelligent and is going to be a so and so forth. Or for example, all engineers are going to become the IAS officer. Maybe it is something in the syllabus, maybe it is something in the pattern, maybe it is the IQ, whatever it is. But ये भी एक ट्रेंड है कि जितने भी इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड के होते हैं, because the number of engineers are more in this field, so probably we are making this assumption. ठीक है? या एक और बड़ी पॉपुलर है, स्पेशली स्कूल की आर्ट्स के बच्चे सारे फेलियर होते हैं. ठीक है? So these kind of statements that we make, it is just a generalization or over generalization. Now it is based merely on certain facts, certain observation जो बहुत limited है. तो मे बी मैंने एक दो लोगों का सुन लिया है, या एक दो लोगों से मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल ले लिया है. सो यस, वेरी वेल, शी सेड हेलो एंड हॉर्न इफेक्ट वर्किंग बोथ वेज. बट हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर जनरलाइजिंग टू द इंटायर कम्युनिटी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ पीपल. ठीक है? सो वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली वन इंडिविजुअल, but we are relating that, and we are generalizing that statement to the entire community, or the entire you could say people where that person is representing. So all men are the same. ठीक है? Something like that. तो इसमें भी हम यही कर रहे हैं कि हमने एक जेंडर के ऊपर हमने स्टीरियोटाइप क्रिएट कर दिया, राइट? सो यस, हॉर्न एंड हेलो इफेक्ट कैन बी देयर, ऑफ कोर्स. उसमें कोई वो इट्स जस्ट अ पैटर्न, और इट्स जस्ट एन इफेक्ट दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, कि कोई ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई कम्युनिटी वी ग्लोरीफाई अ लॉट, एंड देन देयर आर सर्टेन सेक्ट्स ऑफ पीपल दैट वी जस्ट फील कि नहीं, ये खराब ही होंगे, you know. So that movie also, My Name is Khan and I am not a terrorist, it's like it's trying to break the stereotype only, right? Okay. So these are just explanation for you to be able to read and get some content. Now stereotypes, as you can understand, comes from stories, it comes from, you could say, literature, it comes from history, it also comes from socio-political struggles which are there between the groups and the community. रिलीजन के बेसिस पे, रेस के बेसिस पे, एज के बेसिस पे, so there can be so many things which are associated, and usually आप देखोगे कि कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा एक नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन रहता ही है. Usually, I'm not saying all the time that there's going to be a negative aspect of it. Sometimes there's a halo effect also, and अच्छा अच्छा भी बोल सकते हैं. But when it gets associated with your prejudice, ठीक है, we are going to see this topic eventually. So कहीं ना कहीं there is some kind of negative aspect to it. राइट पहली बात तो ये एक इट्स बिलीव दैट इट्स अ कॉमन सेंस थिंग. तो उसमें जो ट्रुथ का जो फैक्टर है या जो एविडेंस का जो फैक्टर है वो वैसे ही रिड्यूस हो जाता है. ठीक है. एंड द थिंग इज वी कीप सर्क्यूलेटिंग इट. So from one person to another, from one culture, from one society to another, it keeps on circulating without any check. So that is the reason why it becomes problematic. ठीक है. Now coming on to prejudice basically. So it's a negative judgment. Always remember जब हम prejudice की बात करते हैं there is always going to be a negative connotation. ठीक है. This is the main difference between prejudice and this stereotype. Stereotype आपका positive भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. That this community is very intelligent or this community is you could say बहुत ही ambitious वो हैं या पढ़े लिखे हैं या whatever it is. ठीक है. जो भी स्टेरियोटाइप हम बना रहे हैं तो इट कैन बी बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. बट प्रेजुडिस आप देखोगे मोस्टली इट्स अ प्री कंसीव नेगेटिव जजमेंट दैट वी क्रिएट अबाउट अ पर्सन. ठीक है. तो ये यूजुअली जो है इट्स अ नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ नॉट अ गुड थिंग. तो प्रेजुडिस हमेशा एक नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट में ही रहती है. आप कभी भी देखो इफ यू आर जजिंग द पर्सन इन द नेगेटिव लाइट इट बिकम्स अ प्रेजुडिस. आपने प्री जज कर लिया है. यू हैव सम प्री अजम्पशंस, प्री कंसीव्ड नोशंस अबाउट द पर्सन व्हिच इज नेगेटिव इन मैनर. सो ये ऐसे ही होगा, इसने ऐसे ही किया होगा, ही मस्ट बी द मर्डरर और ही मस्ट बी द किलर बिकॉज ही इज बिलोंगिंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी और ही इज फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर जेंडर. या उसके लुक्स को देख के आप पहले ही जज कर लेते हो कि ही इज गोइंग टू बी अ मॉन्स्टर एंड सो फोर्थ. ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट is prejudice, as simple as that. Now, what is the link between discrimination and prejudice? Because all three are connected in the way. So, prejudice जो है आपका, it is in your cognition. So, it is still not that you're going to talk about it. Okay, but जैसे ही prejudice आपके actions में आ जाता है, so when it becomes actions or when it becomes behavior, then this becomes discrimination. ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई माइट हेट सर्टन काइंड ऑफ कम्युनिटी. मुझे वैसे पर्सनली आई एम नॉट ओके विद इट बट आई विल नॉट शो इट इन माई बिहेवियर. ओके. और मेरे हिसाब से ये कम्युनिटी बेकार ही है या ये टेररिस्ट कम्युनिटी है या ये गंदे होते हैं ये लोग या वट एवर इट इज. आई हैव दिस नोशन इन साइड माई हेड. ठीक है. बट आई विल ऑब्वियसली नॉट शो इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल और आई विल नॉट डू इट पब्लिकली. सो दैट इज की अभी तक सिर्फ प्रेजुडिस ही है मेरे दिमाग में. ठीक है. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कब हो जाएगा? when I actually start to do something about it. So in the sense ki I will not be friends with them if somebody is coming and talking to me of that particular community. I will shoo them away or something like that. Right? जैसे हाँ riots भी हो सकते हैं या जैसे हम घर में बहुत सटली करते हैं. We talk about कि हम कितने एडवांस हो गए हैं, हम कितने ओपन माइंडेड हो गए हैं. बट आई थिंक इवन नाउ समटाइम्स कोई हेल्पर आता है, कुछ आता है, वी गिव देम द वाटर इन अ डिफरेंट ग्लास और डिफरेंट कप. राइट. उनके चीजें अलग होती हैं एंड सो दीज आर ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ओनली. ठीक है. सो ये सारी चीजें कनेक्टेड हैं एंड यू कैन रियली अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज ये कल्चर से रिलेटेड है, ये सोसाइटी से रिलेटेड है. सो इट बिकम्स लिटिल नेचुरल कि वो रेस, जेंडर और इन सब चीजों से भी connect हो जाती हैं. Then it starts, you could say, floating in the society. And yes, of course, because it's a negative judgment, it's a negative connotation, it tends to be problematic because there is discrimination problem. And जैसे discrimination आने लगती है वो all 10 folds और बढ़ जाता है. That is the problem with discrimination. So as you can understand, क्यों हम अगर हम बात करें कि क्यों judgment हम कर रहे हैं या क्यों हम this becomes more and more, you could say, problematic. Problems बढ़ जाती है. जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन या कास्ट के बेसिस पे या रेस के बेसिस पे, एथनिसिटी के बेसिस पे, वी ऑल नो हाउ इट, सो अपार्थीड इज अ काइंड ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ओनली. ठीक है. So where is coming from? So first of all, it's obviously coming from your own perception. Maybe you have certain stereotypes. Okay, maybe you have certain similarities and differences. So it can be that yes, coming from your family itself. Okay, maybe you have learned it from your family. Maybe you have created an association. Maybe it is practiced in your family that way. It is being talked about. ठीक है, तो वहां से आ सकती है. ऑफ कोर्स कभी कभी जब सोसाइटी में देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ अनइक्वल स्टेटस कि हम इस ग्रुप को बिलोंग करते हैं, व्हेन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रुपिज्म, दैट इन ग्रुप आउट ग्रुप की जो एक टेंडेंसी हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं, दैट दिस इज माय ग्रुप माय कम्युनिटी एंड दिस इज योर ग्रुप एंड योर कम्युनिटी. सो दिस कैन बी अनदर रीजन दैट व्हाई पीपल एंड अप डूइंग दिस. ठीक है, यस हो सकता है. एट्रीब्यूशन तो बाद में होगा, पहले तो आप इन ग्रुप आउट ग्रुप करोगे ना. First you will have this psychological understanding that this is my community, my group, and this is their community and their group. Okay, and then you might end up doing attribution. Ki if they are doing it and they are failing, it's because they are like that, and if we are doing it and we are failing, it's because की circumstances ही ऐसे थे, हमारे साथ बड़ा अत्याचार हो गया. Okay, so it's like that, right? And of course it can be certain kind of motivating factors also, because there's a lot of scarcity of resources. When we talk about environmental psychology, we will talk about that, how the crowding and how the overpopulation has, not overpopulation, but you could say large number of population has become a problem. And obviously the resources are limited. अब आप अपना यूपीएससी में ही देख लो. ठीक है, you know that you have limited seats, right? But then उसमें भी फिर competition है, there is a lot of judgment and so and so forth. तो जैसे ही रिसोर्सेज जो हैं वो कम होने लगती हैं, सेंस ऑफ कंपटीशन, अग्रेशन एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन और बढ़ भी जाता है. एंड देन दीज फीलिंग टेंड्स टू कम बिकम मोर एंड मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर, right? That I am more deserved or this particular person is not deserved and so forth. ठीक है, तो एक तो ये है. एंड देन यस, एट टाइम्स फ्रस्ट्रेशन अग्रेशन की भी एक थ्योरी है. इन सिंपल टर्म्स, फ्रस्ट्रेशन लीड्स टू अग्रेशन. ठीक है, व्हाट इज दिस फ्रस्ट्रेशन लीड्स टू अग्रेशन? व्हेनेवर योर नीड्स आर ब्लॉक्ड. ठीक है, व्हेनेवर आपकी कोई जो नीड्स हैं, कोई एस्पिरेशंस हैं, कोई आपकी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है, in any way if it is blocked, if it is hindered, or it is being stopped, that causes aggression. ठीक है, तो अगर हम इसको सोर्सेज में भी लगा ही दे, रिसोर्सेज में लगा दें या कंपटीशन में लगा दें या कोई स्कैसिटी है किसी भी चीज की, राइट? एंड इफ वी आर अप्लाइंग दिस थ्योरी, so probably you are looking for a job and you want that position and so forth, but somebody else gets it. That, you could say, blocking of your needs, that blocking of your desires can lead to a lot of aggression. ठीक है, सो दीज कैन बी सम ऑफ द रीजन. एंड अगेन एक बेसिक रीजन तो है ही है कि अगेन वी ट्राई टू क्लासिफाई, वी ट्राई टू कैटेगराइज, बिकॉज हमारा परसेप्शन इसी वे में काम करता है. ठीक है, so whatever is similar will club in together, whatever is not similar will become a different group, right? So we have this tendency of in group and out group concept. एंड प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है, क्या हम इसमें गड़बड़ कर देते हैं कि इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन ग्रुप, हम अपने आप को डाइवर्स आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि हम सब अलग अलग है. सो इफ इट्स माय कम्युनिटी, आई एम अ वेरी डिफरेंट पर्सन, एंड हमारी कम्युनिटी में सब कुछ अलग अलग है, in the sense that nothing is related to, like if I am having something, it's not necessary that the other person would also have it, because we individuals, we pay a lot of importance to traits, or you could say individual differences. ठीक है, but when I, as soon as I talk about the out group, as soon as I talk about the opposite, you could say group, हम क्या assume कर लेते हैं कि वो homogeneous होंगे. That means all of them are same. Are you getting my point? So this is one of the categorization error that we do, कि हमारे लिए सारी इंडिविजुअल ट्रेड्स मैटर करती हैं एंड सो फोर्थ, बट जो दूसरा ग्रुप है, दूसरा जो हमने आउट ग्रुप क्रिएट कर रखा है, वो होमोजेनस है, मतलब उनके साथ इकट्ठा होती है सारी चीजें, राइट? एंड ऑब्वियसली वी ऑल डू इट, इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट कि कोई पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी करती है या कोई नहीं करती है, और देयर इज ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन हु डज इट और नॉट डज इट. मोस्टली ऑल ऑफ अस आर प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस थिंग, because ultimately it is to ease your cognition, to ease your perception. ठीक है. एंड ये इन ग्रुप आउट ग्रुप कैसे बनता है? इट बिकम्स वेरी ऑटोमेटिकली, इन द सेंस कि whatever is similar to you, whatever is familiar to you, that becomes your group. ठीक है. हाँ, हम साइकोलॉजी ऑप्शनल वाले, हम यूपीएससी वाले, ठीक है, देन गर्ल्स वर्सेस बॉयज, सो एंड सो, फिर स्टेट रिलेटेड हो जाता है. सो एनी काइंड ऑफ फेमिलियरिटी, एनी काइंड ऑफ, सो दिस इज हाउ योर परसेप्शन आल्सो इज प्लेइंग एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल. So any kind of familiarity, any kind of surroundedness or proximity, सेंस ऑफ फैमिली, तो उससे हम क्या करते हैं, अपना इन ग्रुप क्रिएट कर देते हैं और ऑटोमेटिकली जो ऑपोजिट चीज है वो आउट ग्रुप हो जाती है. ठीक है. कभी कभी आर्टिफिशियली भी हो जाता है, इन द सेंस की फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू गो टू यू ज्वाइनिंग अ कंपनी एंड वहां पे मे बी यू इट्स योर डिपार्टमेंट वर्सेस द अदर डिपार्टमेंट. ठीक है. और मे बी इट इज योर सेट ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल एंड द अदर सेट ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. ठीक है. या फिर कोई, जैसे मान लीजिए हमने टीम्स डिवाइड करी हुई है, तो माई टीम वर्सेस देयर टीम, सो इट कैन बी दैट वे ऑल्सो. ठीक है. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स इन ग्रुप हम हमेशा पॉजिटिव सेंस में ही देखते हैं. We have this tendency to feel that because I am associated with that group, it's going to be good, right? And जो दूसरा है उसमें हम क्या लगाते हैं, जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं कुछ भी है उसी कम्युनिटी में. ठीक है. So like I said, we form perceptions, right? Then what can be the mistakes? See, it's all basically आपको जो है, you have to just get the content, and here you can give your own examples. Here you can talk about the problems in the society. Agar aap, if you see a newspaper and you find a good article related to it, you can talk about it. Why not? Because ये एक ऐसा topic है जिसमें definitely you can make use. Let me just come back. क्या बोल रही है? मैं बोलती हूँ कि लेबल जो होता है वो अपना आर्टिफिशियल माना जा सकता है. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is given to you by birth. So there's something called as सोशल आइडेंटिटी एंड पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी. ठीक है. तो पर्सनल में तो आपके जो पर्सनल ट्रेड्स हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट विच यू आर एक्चुअली बॉर्न विद, सो मे बी योर स्किन कलर, योर हाइट, योर जेंडर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. नॉट जेंडर बट योर सेक्स. एंड सोशल आइडेंटिटी जो आपको सोसाइटी देती है, सो योर नेशन, सो योर यू कुड से which community are you belonging to. ठीक है. so and so forth. So yes, that can be an artificial, उसके वजह से भी ये सारी चीजें हो जाती है. yes. So do you think we can remove stereotypes, prejudice and discrimination? Yes, all of you, do you think can we do that? So this is the end of the topic. So I said it's going to be a short class. Let's quickly discuss certain points. Do you think we will be able to remove these kind of problems? Yes, not fully, because in the end of the day, we will start practicing it again in some way or the other. Okay? Because there's going to be stereotypes, there might be prejudice also. And if it is prejudice, there's going to be discrimination. So it's not that कि इतना बोलना आसान है या हम बहुत easily उसको wipe off कर सकते हैं, या when we'll see paper 2 का जो unit है discrimination and all of that, and how can we help these disadvantaged community and so forth. So yes, it's a problem definitely, but and it can't be wiped off, ठीक है, completely. But yes, like Gautami is saying, we can try to reduce it, become more aware of it. So how can we stop these things? With more social awareness, with more psycho awareness, psycho education, more talking about these social stigmas and social issues. ठीक है. उससे हम थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. And obviously, as you can understand, charity begins at home. तो it should be that अपने ही लेवल पे आप उस चीज को स्टॉप करो. So don't wait for the other person to announce one day that this community is not bad and इनके साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ है. आप अपने घर से ही स्टार्ट करो. Probably there are tons of things maybe हम ही कर रहे हैं अपने घर में आसपास. You know, so try to stop those things, right? And what is this, Aditya? We need dictatorship then. ठीक है. So that way. Okay. Any other doubts? Any other questions for today? हम्म that's what I'm saying कि बहुत easily wipe out कर नहीं सकते हैं because stereotypes तो कैसे भी बन सकता है. ठीक है. But at least what we can do, we can stop at the discrimination level. मतलब at least we can stop at the behavioral level or we can stop at the prejudice level. ठीक है. और ये जो इन ग्रुप आउट ग्रुप की टेंडेंसी है, there's something called as subordinate goals. So when we start to identifying them also as us, ठीक है, ये जो इन ग्रुप आउट ग्रुप हम बना लेते हैं, उसको रिड्यूस करने की कोशिश करें. Stereotypes you can't help because in some way or the other stereotypes will come into place. But what we can help is with the negative judgment that we create. That means prejudice and discrimination. ठीक है. And what subtly होता है sometimes, you know, there are a lot of examples. If you've been reading that chapter in the book that I gave you, it's a good chapter, please read about it. So उसमें आप देखोगे बहुत सारे examples दिए हैं throughout, and even today, you know, there's a lot of practice in terms of prejudice, even in a very subtle way. So when you go to other countries, when you go to, you could say, कहीं आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे हो या कुछ, तो वहां पे भी इस टाइप का क्लास रिलेटेड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन रहता है, इवन जेंडर, स्किन रिलेटेड, so and so forth. So there was this you could say Chinese couple which was traveling. He was a psychologist and he was trying to book the hotel. ठीक है. तो जैसे ही वो अपनी आइडेंटिटी डिस्क्लोज कर रहा था, यू नो, ही वुड ईदर गेट द रिस्पॉन्स दैट इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल, or if he would get the room, it was not a very good room, but the prices were same. And as he was booking the hotels in the name of America, like he was an American, then he would get a very good room and the hotel was also available, I mean the rooms was also available to him, and so on and so forth. So this way, you know, sometimes very subtly, we do these kind of practices and we feel कि नहीं नहीं, हम तो बड़े ही वो हो गए हैं, मॉडर्न हो गए और अब ये सब चीजें नहीं होती हैं. बट अभी भी देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेजुडिस एंड देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन गोइंग ऑन इन अ वेरी सटल मैनर. अभी मतलब जेंडर और इन सब का तो हम अलग ही कर दें. यस, हमारी कंट्री में बिकॉज देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कास्ट रिलेटेड एंड सो फोर्थ इश्यूज, वो तो है ही है. बट बहुत सी चीजें जो हम में से फील करते हैं ना कि नहीं, नाउ इट्स ऑल गॉन एंड नाउ इट्स नॉट देयर, इट इज एक्चुअली देयर. एंड देयर वाज दिस एग्जांपल, अभी मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था बट आई फॉरगॉट. Yeah, so you know, you must have seen now that there is always a black person in the movies. कोई भी हॉलीवुड मूवी बनती है, there's always going to be a black person now. So you know, one explanation is yes, maybe we are trying to reduce this discrimination जो उनके साथ हुई है, and we hire them, we give them good roles and so forth. True. But now, you know, what has become, there's also a tendency that जानबूझ के ये लोग क्या करते हैं कि नो ब्लैक कम्युनिटी के लोगों को हायर करते हैं सो दैट यू नो दे कीप शट कि ठीक है, देखो हमने आपको हायर किया है, वी आर गिविंग यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. You know, so you need not act कि you're not getting it and so forth. So this is also a trend which is coming up, which is there. Now what are you guys talking about? Democratic form of government is going to fall in the near future, but then I think uske baad eventually it will come back. So you know, it's like a cycle. बहुत सी चीजें it's not going to so it's like a cycle in the sense कि not everything lasts forever. So it's like a 20 years का रहता है. 20 years के बाद फिर आपका ट्रेंड चेंज हो जाएगा, फिर 20 years के बाद फिर आपका ट्रेंड चेंज हो जाएगा. So it's there in fashion also, it's there in these things also. नहीं नहीं, फीमेल इंफेंटिसाइड बिल्कुल भी नहीं खत्म हुआ है. दे कैन टॉक अबाउट, सो जो साइको अवेयरनेस और साइको एजुकेशन की हम बात कर रहे हैं, कम्युनिटी साइकोलॉजिस्ट कैन हेल्प देम बी मोर अवेयर ऑफ इट. ठीक है. Sometimes there are certain chains, certain actions that we want to bring, but how do we bring about it? So a community psychologist would help you understand the, you could say, the group dynamics and bring you all together on the table and try to give you methods. So there can be brainstorming method, there can be focus group discussions and so forth. There's something called as action research. So sometimes we have to find the solutions to the problem, but we ourselves are clueless about it. So in that scenario, we bring the community people together, and together as a, you could say, team, try to find out the problems and the solutions and we apply it, and then we try to see कि अब क्या problems रह गई हैं या क्या problems हम face कर रहे हैं. So it's like a action research in the sense कि constantly आप action पे रहते हो and you're researching the solutions and we're trying to eradicate that problem. So that happens with the help of a community psychologist who comes in together, who talks about psychoeducation, who makes a note of it also कि क्या phenomena चल रहा है क्या नहीं, and so forth. Because large scale पे it's a different thing. ठीक है, one to one counseling करना it's a different thing, and large scale पे to deal with people, to deal with masses, it's a different thing altogether. So community psychologist can help you with that basically. And you really think that Amit Shah would allow this? Hmm. 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 Yes, so of course we can use it, but the problem is we are not willing to use it. That's the problem, na? The people who are governing us and people who are responsible for these things. See, if you just remember that COVID time when it was at peak and people were dying and there was nothing the country was able to do, and उस time पे everything was flooded in terms of that Sushant Singh died, and then there was narcotics, and then there was all sorts of media nonsense and circus that was being created. आप कभी भी देख लो, कोई भी बहुत ही जब ऐसा मतलब hot सा कुछ politics में हो जाता है ना, there's always going to be some kind of Bollywood conspiracy going on. फिर second time जो बलि का बकरा बना था, that was Shahrukh Khan and his kid, you know. So you can really see that how they are distracting us. Yes, elections were around, true. So whenever something like this is going on, it's a strategy that they have started to create, and you won't believe the kind of, you could say, cells which are associated cells in the sense ki media related, and ye jitna bhi fake promotion, fake channels and sab kuch, it is just to bring that so that everybody this thought process is floating. ये subliminal perception ही हो रहा है आपके साथ कि वो एक तरीके से आपको प्राइम कर रहे हैं इस चीज को लेके. And the problem is we are so blinded with these Bollywood and star related things that we actually don't talk about the rest of the scene. And the problem with it's not a problem, but when we have different you could say strata in the community or in the country, so the needs are also different. Different classes होंगी तो needs and जो intellect level है वो भी अलग हो जाता है. So at the lower level for them, earning certain amount of money, coming back home and getting good sleep and good food is what they want, and they're not thinking anything beyond that. तो अभी वो बेसिक नीड्स पे ही फंक्शन कर रहे हैं कि उनकी जो बेसिक डेफिशिएंसी नीड्स है वही फुलफिल हो जाए. And for them that is why God and faith becomes more important, and any source of entertainment becomes more important, and they're not able to move out from that need का जो एक circle create हुआ है उससे आगे कुछ beyond देख पाए वो. you know and it can't be that you just say कि नहीं नहीं ये वाली community को हम eradicate कर देंगे या इस sect के लोगों को हम change कर देंगे, because it's not going to happen. So there's always going to be this hierarchy in the sense there's always going to be this differences in what people need. आप उनको जाके कुछ और समझाओ या ये सब बातें समझाओ, they will really laugh on your face कि what are you really saying. Because for them coming home getting that 5 rupees and उसकी वजह से जो राशन आ रहा है उनके पास वही उनके लिए बहुत important हो जाता है. And for these individuals you can't take away their faith, you can't take away their you could say faith in the god or these kind of things, because that's how they're surviving. Or hai bhi kya fir, you know so that's the thing that is there. And these people they really understand it very well. अगर किसी को audience की sense अगर है सबसे ज्यादा, I think it's the netas. you know yeah. And throughout the history, if you will see, it's not that ये अभी start हुआ है. Throughout the history these kind of things have been happening कि हम cover up करते हैं या कुछ और कर रहे हैं. Yes, something else is created all together in a face of something else going on. So it has always been a part of the, you could say, the thing. See, religion and everything, why is it actually, of course, it's a way of, you could say, praying and all of that. That's all true. Way of life, also, you can say. But ultimately, जिस वे में religion and religional practices जो हैं वो start करी गई हैं, जो faith का इतना सारा है, जो God का एक fear जो create किया गया है, why is it? It is just to, you could say, blind the certain parts of the community so that they are not क्या कहते हैं, so that वो बगावत ना करें, basically, you know. If you just understand the group that, I mean, not group, but the politics that goes around. Is to give direction, trust to some power. Yes, see, basic, it's a, see, if religion की हम बात करें, it is just a way of living. You have certain rituals that you practice. कोई भी चीज religion हो सकती है, ठीक है, it is not related to God. But वो जो एक strong connotation create हो गई है God से related and this must be like that, and जो एक fanatic एक जो create हो गया ना tendency, that has become problematic. कल्चर एंड रिलीजन में डिफरेंस बता दो. कल्चर, आई थिंक इट्स मच मोर ब्रॉडर. Yes, no, no. Yes, culture is also way of living. What are your practices? What are your traditional practices? Religion is a part of it. Religion is, you could say, certain practices that you do or certain faith that you have. That is religion. But that is also part of culture only. मेरे culture में religion को मानना बहुत बड़ी चीज है. ठीक है. You guys. Anyway, any other doubts? Any other questions? हाँ, I just saw. हम्म. 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 So it all starts with, again, psycho awareness and psycho education. And it starts with small levels. So you know, like जैसे life skills के subject हैं, वहाँ पे ये सब चीजें बात कराना, workshops create करना for students. You know, so school becomes a very very important, you could say, platform, so that we are able to inculcate that in the children first, because children are the future in the end of the day, right? And इससे ज्यादा मास आपको कहीं मिलेगा नहीं जो young mind है. So, you know, it starts with taking workshop at school level, trying to teach them, trying to being aware, and talking about the symptoms, talking about how to identify these things and how to identify a bully also for that matter. You know, right? कि half of the time हमें पता ही नहीं होता है कि हम bully हो रहे हैं या ये एक bully tendency है. And bully can, it's not only that कि bully आपको physical sense में ही हो रही है, it can be a emotional or psychological bully also. ठीक है. So we are not aware of it. So you know, taking up workshops like that, and I have, you know, when I used to take life classes for life skills classes for children, and I took bully wala topic also. So you know, I would surprise कि there were so many students who came for help. Half of the time उनको पता ही नहीं होता कि कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है उनके साथ, or they're just so embarrassed to talk about it. But when you give a platform to them, and the thing that I did was I said कि आप anonymous tip दे सकते हो, कि अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है, to the receptionist, to the class teacher, or any person you feel it's safe, you can give an anonymous tip कि something like this is going on, right? And some of them, they were not even aware कि something like this is happening. So when you give them the proper, you could say, definition, when you talk about the symptoms, when you talk about the forms also, you know, so something like कि, internet bully, cyber bullying is also a thing now. So if you're commenting on somebody, if you're writing derogatory comments and you're trying to harass the person online, and if you feel that you will not be caught and it's all right क्योंकि ये public है, so that is not bully, but that is also a kind of bully, right? So talk about these things in a very concrete manner. Same for depression also, कि क्या symptoms हैं, what, when to talk about it, what are the symptoms that we should look out. So I think it should start from there, and not only at school level, at office levels also, at you could say वर्क लेवल ऑल्सो, कि आप लोगों के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं ऐसी वर्कशॉप्स, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज बिकमिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्ट हो गई है, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है. Like having a counselor is very very important in the school especially. तो मेक यूज ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. इट शुड नॉट बी कि सिर्फ पेपर पे ये चीजें लिखी हैं, एक्चुअली ये प्रैक्टिस हो रही हैं. सो दैट शुड बी important. ये स्कूल में काउंसलर इज अ कंपल्सरी थिंग. You have to have a child psychologist. अब तो ऑफिस में भी होने लग गया एचआर वगैरह में. नाउ आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट इज थोड़ा सा एक्टिव हो रही है. ओके, so I hope that answered helps. So there is no understanding that somebody is suffering from something simply because they don't have the awareness. So for that we simply have to create the awareness कि something like this can happen, these are the symptoms that we need to look out. And अलग अलग वे में. So it can't be that we are all expecting everybody to read Hindu and वहां से वो लोग समझ जाएंगे. You have to do workshops, you have to give properly. Movies can be one of the mediums. So जैसे अभी ये जो OMG 2 थी, it was on sex education basically, right? So it is a great medium to talk about for the kids. ठीक है? So this way, so media and cinema also plays a very very important role, and that should also be regulated at times.